creating an all-new 7 Series is something very special. Like no other car, the 7 represents the innovative power of BMW. Therefore, it comes as no surprise. In the new 7, everything is exceptional and unrivaled. The new face, powerful and present, highlighting BMW's kidney contour and iconic glowing crystal headlights. Of course, approaching and entering the new 7 is already a remarkable experience. It goes without saying, the new 7 offers the best driving experience in the segment. And on top of that, highly automated Level 2 Plus and Level 3 functions. Needless to say, the new 7 is fully electric. The most powerful 7 is driven by a unique BMW electric drivetrain with more than 600 electric horsepower. And with battery cells that were of course produced with green electricity. It offers the ultimate digital experience. Minimalistically designed, top digital performance, perfect interaction, and highly progressive functions. With a 31-inch theater screen in 8K streaming resolution, the new 7 is without a doubt the new entertainment benchmark. And of course you are surrounded by modern art in the new 7, for the first time in a BMW and unique in the world. In the new 7, everything is unprecedented and absolutely trend-setting in every detail. The new 7 is the choice of future-thinking, responsible leaders. See you in April.